Okay, guys, so we're looking for it to hit T3. It's at 2.5 pips. And again, I'm just doing this so you guys can see when I say set the TP, why you should set it. Look how long it's been bouncing, right around 3 pips. And again, it's up to you on whether or not you want to sit here and wait for it to hit 3 pips or not. But as a mechanical player, you have to, right? So did it hit target 1? Yes. Did it hit target 2? Yes. And now you can see it has just hit target 3. So that's when I'll come over there and post it's hit all 3 targets. When you're first starting, you don't worry about target 2 and target 3. You're only looking for target 1. Then once you can hit that 70% of the time, then look for target 2. And then compare your target 1s to your target 2s. Then once you can hit that 70% of the time, go to target 3. And then you can continue to go as far as you want. So you're in the turn zone now. If it breaks out, you might get 3 or 4 more pips out of that. But it also could turn and go bullish because it's where it's looking to turn. If it turns bullish, you look for your steps to buy it. If it breaks through and stays bearish, you look for your steps to resell it again. That's the USD CHF. The EU, the exact same thing. So, right, it couldn't break that to be a buy, and it got stopped. It's going sideways. While that was going sideways, we sold it and won it. You get better. The more you do it, the better you get. Now, look, inside that turn zone, it's already went bull. It's tried. Look at where you're at, and then start again. You're just looking for steps 1, 2, 3, 4 on all the strategies all over again. So, if you were able to spot those on your own screens, you were able to look at what I was doing. You can make a decision about whether you want to play that based on what you know. Then great. But if you don't know the 4 strategies, then looking at those trades, don't try to copy them or track them because it's a different concept. Don't just say, oh, he's in, I'm getting in. It won't work, I promise you. So let's watch this and see how it turns out. 2-0.